In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Instagram followers decreasing problem. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. Sometimes what happens is that you start to lose followers on Instagram on daily basis. If you are losing like 2 to 3 followers in one day, then that is absolutely normal. But if you see a major drop in your followers, like 5 to 10% of your followers are unfollowing you on Instagram on daily basis, then that is something you need to worry about. So in order to fix this problem, what you have to do is to open Instagram application. At the top right corner of your screens, you will see these three dots. Click on it and then go to settings, go to security, and here you will see the last option, apps and websites. So click on it. And here you need to make sure that this folder is empty. And if you have an application or a website visible here, then all you have to do is to remove it. And once you do it, your problem of losing Instagram followers will be solved. So that was it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.